guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, amenities, and attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel.
Category 3. Category 5.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. This category where rooms are available book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies.
If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
If you are facing any kind of problem with this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting below.